In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Analytics 4 on Shopify. Simply visit Google Analytics and click on Create Property, and here type the property name, select the time zone, currency, click on Next. Now here select your business like small, medium or any. Simple, click here, click on Create. So after that, when you click on Create, simply here you can see the web option. Just click here on the web, and now after that here you have to type your website domain. Simply type your website name here, and now click on create stream. So after that, when you click on create stream, so here you have to go to view tag instructions. Just simply click here, and this tab you have to copy this code. Now go to Shopify store, click on themes, click on these three dots. Now click on edit code. So here click on theme liquid in the head section. Just paste this code here, and after that click on save button. So now after that, go back to analytics and simply here go to configure tag settings. Now after that, when you click here on configure tag settings, you will move to next step. So simply click on show all, and here you have to click on list unwanted referrals. Just simply click here. So here you have to add shopify.com and click on add condition. After that, click on save. Now go back to my store and simply go back to Shopify main page. And now here, if you're using Shopify Plus, simply you can paste this code into these three dots, edit code, and search for checkout, and you can paste code there. But if you are using normal Shopify, simply go to settings and now go to checkouts. So when you click on checkout, simply scroll down and paste the script here. And after that, when you paste the script here, simply remove the update from this section and from this section. Now after that, go back to Google Analytics. Just you have to copy this measurement ID, and now go back to Shopify. Simply paste the ID here in front of script, and now scroll down, and here in the front of config, simply paste the ID here. After that, click on save. So in this way, you can add Google Analytics 4 on Shopify.